Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another video. My name is Antonio and I'm super happy to come to you guys with the Logitech Litra Glow, however you say that. But I just been so impressed with this product. I've had it for a week and I just kind of want to go over the pros and cons of this product and why I think it's the best light for your streaming setup or for your webcam setup for any meetings that you may have, for anything on Twitch that you may be doing. Because for me personally, I feel like it has been awesome. Here it is. I have it on top of my camera right now, and I'll show you guys why I think this is a great product, especially for $50. What? All right, right now we're in the back of my streaming setup. Ooh, nasty, yuck. I know, but hey, I just wanted to show you guys how minimalistic this light is. I was thinking about getting a ring light, right? And I was like, I don't want to get a ring light, have it like exposed all the way out here, and then of course it's going to be taking up a lot of the surface area in the back. So I was like looking for alternatives, and I wanted to get like a leaf panel that would be going on my walls, but right now 200 bucks, I don't want to do it. I just moved into my new house and I just want to save money, get my savings right, and then I'll go ham on this. But that's where this guy comes in. This Litra Glow has been outstanding. It's only $50 and has soft light technology. You can set the warmth of the light, and I think it does a really good job for my streaming setup. So right now in my streaming setup, I don't have any light really in the front of my face. It makes me look really dark and like underexposed. So I was like thinking of this as the alternative, and let me tell you, I'm so happy I spent the $50 on this guy. So first pro, like I said, really minimalistic, barely does anything. Guys, look at that. He's just chilling back there. And he's so light that he can go on top of my camera and no problems whatsoever. So I personally am loving this guy so far. That's how he looks in the front right there. And I think it looks really good. Seriously, like look at that. It's minimalistic, doesn't like draw too much attention. And the good thing is that once I'm tired of like using it, let's just say like I really want to clean up my office or something, then boom, I grab him off of here, I disconnect him, and he's out of the way, no issues whatsoever. If you guys didn't know, I stream at Antonio Diaz 012 on Twitch. Come on now, let's go. Let me know, do I stay on Twitch or do I go to YouTube, guys? You guys watch me on YouTube? I don't even know if that's a thing like yet. Is that a thing yet? You let me know down below. Comment down below. Let me know. Should I stream on Twitch or should I stream on YouTube? So I just want to break down how this is powered. It's powered by USB-C. So there's USB-C cord that attaches to the back. Show you that now right here. Super neat right there through this cord. There's some cable management here, so that's really nice. You can just run the cable and there's a clip literally right there that you just clip it onto, so the cable runs down your system, no issues there. The other thing that I really like too is that it's USB as well for the other end, so I just have it connected to my monitor. Most monitors actually have a USB hub, so make sure to use that up and take advantage of it, because that way you're not taking any of your system USBs, and you can use that for other things that you need for any of your other mics or projects that you got going. Here we got our light settings. Let's turn this bad boy on. You can see that we have the power button here. Then we also have the power up button. So this will work with our brightness. So if we click up on here, then the brightness will increase. If we click down here, the brightness will decrease. And then we obviously have our warmth. So if we want everything warm, we want to click up on here. And if we want to cool things down, we click down on here. Super easy. So let's turn it on super quick by clicking the middle button. Boom, it's on. It's at your normal settings, so it will stay to whatever settings you've set it to. So right now, for instance, I have it like the medium brightness and like a medium like warmth to the light. I think this is just fantastic for me and my skin tone. That's something you have to play around with, but I had sat down for a little bit, messed around with it, and I think this is the perfect setting. But let me just show you what peak brightness looks like really quick. So that is peak brightness, full to the max. Holy smokes. And look how much it's bright in my face. Like if I'm sitting down, this thing is lighting me up. And it's crazy how bright this gets just because it's so small and compact, but still can get so bright. All right, let's do it one down. All right, you can tell a major difference. This is kind of nice. This is probably where I start sticking at because I don't want to get like overblown or too like bright in front of my face. But I personally like this one. This is what I had it set at, and this is like perfect. Now let's click it one more time. This is another low setting, and then this is the lowest setting that they have for the light. So it won't go down any further than that. So once again, this, and that. That's the max right there. So we'll just keep it at the max right now, but you can tell this is bright. Are you kidding me, man? This is bright as hell. Alrighty guys, so now we still have it at the brightest setting, but let's play with the warmth and coldness of it. So I'm just gonna go all the way to the warmest setting. So this is the warmest setting. As you can tell, it is extremely warm, and it is definitely something that you should play around with. Depending on your skin tone, you might like things a little warmer, or your preferences. You might like things warmer, cooler, wherever the setting is for you. You let me know down below. But here we go. So we're at the warmest right now. I'm gonna go down. It's getting a little bit cooler. This is like, I would say, pretty normal, neutral. This is getting pretty cold. And now I think this is the coldest, right? Yep, this is the coldest that it does get. It gets really cold and it's extremely bright. That is unbelievable how this light is able to do that. Now I think if you get 2 of these lights, it'd be perfect. $100, you know, awesome, really minimalistic. What I also like is it has this hook right here, so you can just like clip it onto your monitor right here. My monitor has like this little edge right here to it, so it's able just to attach right there. Super minimalistic, super easy to like slide across and all that good stuff. I actually really love it. And then of course has this longer part, so that's able to rest over things. Like I said, since the light is so light, wow, you're able to just like mount it on to things. Like I literally have it here. It's just resting against my little LED screen that I have for my camera, and then you're all set to go. And then I'm sitting here, and it looks so good on my stream, guys. So make sure that if you're going for this light, you already know $50, like, come on, that's a bargain, guys. I think this is definitely going to be a replacement for anybody who got a ring light and wants to like kind of downgrade, make things more minimalistic. Because you could tell even the cords and stuff, you do a really good job with just hiding them with the webcam that you have. And that's what I really like about it. It's like really minimalistic, and it's nothing that's too heavy or abrasive to like your walls or anything, especially if you're like a new house or whatever, or on the go too. Like, can you imagine just putting this and how small and compact this is on the go? Like, boom, it's gone, you're done. Bam, turn it off. You could store this away. You know, you could look really professional in a lot of your meetings or web calls and all of that stuff because of how small and compact this thing is. Now, I will say, if you want to mount it onto a tripod, you could definitely do that. All you have to do is, obviously, let's just unplug this super quick. And then after you do that, just screw it off here. It pops right off. And then boom, you have a screw head that you can just mount it onto. So you mount this on the top of your tripod if you like, or a different tripod. And of course, as long as you have like power, so you could even use this on your camera and then put a power brick to connect it to this, so it powers on and you're good to go on the move. So that's pretty cool, and how light and compact it is. Like 2 pieces just like this, traveling, throw it in your bag like that, you're done. Game over. You don't even have to carry around that crazy ring light that takes up so much space and foundation in your setup. So I really like this. I give it personally a 9 out of 10. If it got a little bit brighter or gave you some more settings, I think it'd be fantastic. But I love how there is software for this, but you don't have to use the software because it has those manual buttons, and that's a major pro for me. I love that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a like, make sure to comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this key light, and is it something that you're gonna get, because I think for $50 it's a bargain and it's a win. All right, love you guys, peace out.